Day 71. Buy and hold is the simplest strategy there is. It's not trying to time the market or to guess when prices are about to drop or when they are about to rise. It just owns the market. That's it, that's the whole idea. You buy and you hold. Now, let's talk about why this matters, especially if you're just starting out. Buy and hold is the baseline of a strategy. Think of it like a starting line in a race. Every other strategy you ever build, no matter how clever, no matter how complicated, gets judged against buy and hold. It's the yardstick, the thing you measure everything else by. Because here's the question you always have to ask yourself. If your strategy cannot beat buy and hold over the long run, then all that extra complexity was wasted effort. Think about that for a second. You spent hours, maybe weeks, building indicators, writing conditions, testing entry and exit points. And at the end of it, if your fancy strategy performs the same as someone who just bought once and walked away, what was the point? Why build a complicated machine that produces the same result as doing nothing? That's not a rhetorical jab. It's a real question every trader has to sit with. Complexity for its own sake isn't a strength, it's a cost. It takes time to build, time to test, and time to maintain. So, if it doesn't earn its place by actually outperforming the simple approach, it shouldn't be there.